Hello YouTube family, good evening. Today I want to give you my honest opinion on Limitless system. What is my pros and my cons and my opinions on this system. Now, this system is new, it's low competition, and the owner, he's very honest, very transparent, and what I would classify this system as is a lead generation system where you can build your email list, build your list, and promote your other opportunities. They also got some packages in there, which is they got the basic, the pro, and the founders. The other two are become income, and that's also a free thing too. You can join for free, but there are limitations. Besides the other two, well, other three, excuse me, that don't have that much limitations. The free one has limitations. So, but that will be part of the cons. So, now, I will introduce myself before we get to this video. My name is Isaiah Prim, and I've been being in this industry since 2023. So, that's what we're going to start as. Now, here's the pros. The pros are, it's very beginning friendly, which just means anybody can join for free without no problems. Second, the capture pages are built in, so you don't have to create any funnels or anything like that. And thirdly, there's a built-in autoresponder where the company will follow up with your leads without you having to do it yourself if you prefer. And the fourth one is the pricing is very affordable with the two other packages. The finders though might not be, but the pro and the basic are. So that's the pros are. Now the cons is there is a pass up, like you have to pass up with your second and your third and your fourth sales. That's the cons. A lot of people don't like that. They probably prefer there's a percentage of it or no pass ups at all, and you keep all your leads and not pass up to somebody that's already a bit leading like that. And then secondly, it doesn't secondly is people prefer to build their own funnels without having to use the company's funnel, which that's a cons. And thirdly, the finders is very expensive. It's more like a high ticket one. It's not a low ticket like the other two packages. So that's the cons. So now here's my opinion on this system. I think this is a great system. It's very beginning friendly. People overlooking systems and stuff. They prefer to go chase out the next shiny thing rather than focus on a system where it will get them consistently and all that. We don't need to be chasing out the the next shiny thing. We need systems for clarity. We need to stick with these systems where we can get momentum and all that. If you get leads with systems like this, then you need to stay consistently. That's what I'm doing in this video, and not just sitting there saying, oh, this is not working or anything like that. This system will work. I talk with the owner every day. He does Zoom meetings every Tuesday. He trains these people, and he's available 24/7 if you need anything. So I always contact him, and he's very responsive. He's very open. He also helps people and tells people what methods to use, regardless what methods you try, free method, paid method, or something like that. So the owner, he's honest, so there's nothing to say, nothing bad about it. Now, here's my call to action. Click the link below in the description and check out the website, and get me a like and share and subscribe. Share this video with others. Let's change people's lives. Let's make 2026 better. And that's all for this video. Have a great evening, everyone, and stay blessed.